This MSI Sword laptop came in for no power, no sign of life. Let's fix it. We start by taking measurements on the motherboard. We detected a dead short on the input circuit and GPU power stage. We then inject power onto the shorted component and look for unusual heat signatures using a thermal camera. And we see a component heating up. Oh no, the heat is coming from the GPU. Could it be possible it's dead? Not so fast. We remove a suspected faulty power stage chip and replace it with a new power stage IC. These are highly sophisticated voltage regulators and common points of failure on gaming laptops. Will we get lucky? We also wound up replacing the second one. Now, for the moment of truth. Will this laptop live or die by the sword? Success. It's been a slice.